Hi guys, I'm very excited to announce that I'm going to release this tool for game developers and pixel artists that works for games and need a tool to ease the color changing sprites, ease the work on color changing sprites. It's going to be free as HTML5, and for $2 you can support me and get a convenient offline tool. It's as HTML5 because I thought that's most accessible for everyone, but $2 is not much asked for offline tool. So this tool allows you to import your sprites, backgrounds. Like for example, let's take a screenshot from game Lizard, a homebrew game for NES. Let's see what we can do. You can import it. You already get extracted colors. They're kinda indexed, so you can change for particular colors. The default settings is for base palette 0 locked, so you can't edit them, and if you are doing that you get blinking. You can easily create new palette, and let's find that background like this one. For next one we can import color palette like for NES. We can stretch our color presets, and with middle mouse we can move over. And put it like that. It's easily to see. So it's this color. Let's try. Yeah, I like this one. And what you're getting is like this effect. So you can save later, gray sprite that's used in the game, and with shader you apply your created color palettes. So I thought to make it easier for people, you can use shader code examples, and I'm creating a GitHub repository for example projects. Like at the moment I have only Godot and GameMaker examples, and I'm asking for your help, and maybe you can provide little example codes and projects, and I will include them in the app. So let's see where this app goes. Thanks for watching, and see you later.